Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everyone had a restful week or is having a good day. So I'm just going to show you guys how I straighten my hair. This is a tad bit different from my previous hair tutorial where I basically just blow dry my hair. So what I typically do now that I have short hair is I will hop out of the shower, kind of wait, dry myself off, wait maybe 15 minutes, and then go right into blow drying my hair. My hair is at such a point where when it curls up, it's to my chin, and I don't necessarily like that, especially, if I'm filming TikToks and things like that. So that's what I typically do. I'll blow dry it, and which you guys have already seen. So in this tutorial, however, I did not hop out of the shower and go straight to blow drying my hair. Instead, I kind of let it dry. I kind of got distracted. I think I was hanging out with my family, with my doggo, who's so cute. And then I decided, it was really dry, and I decided it was all dried up. My hair had dried up, and then I decided to just kind of straighten it. So this is what I would do when I don't. What am I saying here? When I don't blow dry my hair right away. Anyways, so I'm just kind of sectioning my hair off into little pieces, and then I kind of spritz the Tresemme hair protector. Gosh, I've used that product for so freaking long. I'll spray that down. I don't have any problems with it. I probably prefer something more organic though, more healthier, although I feel like those might be a tad bit expensive. But let me know what you guys use. And then maybe I can do my research on those products. But yeah, that's basically all I do. I just kind of spray it, then I'll brush it down, and then I'll go ahead and take little sections from that section and I'll just straighten it down. I try not to do slow passes. I did speed up this video, and there were a couple slow passes that I did, but typically what I would recommend doing is kind of going fast, like doing like fast passes if you have similar hair texture to mine. Like I always mention, I'm not a professional, so if you have a better way of doing your hair, please stick to that. This is just how I prefer and my personal unprofessional recommendation. This is just so that the hair doesn't get burnt or overly damaged over a long-term period. Fast passes usually get the work done relatively in this same amount of time. It just requires a bit of speed. So that's basically what I'm doing all around my hair. Then I'll take another section, another section. I think the most trickiest part with my hair in terms of straightening it is at the very end. And that's where I always get a little bit, not necessarily perplexed, but just kind of like I don't know how to part it. And that's something that I'm working on right now. Because I feel like my hair, so I actually cut my own hair, right, over the summer because of COVID. I cut it twice actually, and I'm not a professional hairdresser, hair cutter at all. Although that'd be something cool to get into, but that's what I did, and my hair is kind of uneven, but I don't necessarily mind it. But yeah, so I can't remember what I was saying, but yeah, it's just difficult to part it because it's not styled, in the proper way. So, for instance, a hairstylist would actually know how to style your hair in that way. The next time you go to style your hair, it would fall in a certain direction. I don't know how they do that, but I know this is possible because I have been seeing my hairstylist, my hairdresser, for the past since I was 18. So for the past I don't know however long that is. It's more than 5 years for sure, but I've been seeing her, and that's how she does it, and that's how it's supposed to be, right? Although I haven't had a chance to actually visit her. But, yeah, so I think that's the only issue that I have in terms of parting it. But yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. It's not anything, like, overly fancy. I don't use too many things. I don't know. Maybe I might in the future. But that's basically what I'm doing here. I hope you guys liked this video. Drop a comment, leave a like, let me know what you guys think, what your thoughts are, and I will see you next time. I'm probably just going to let this play out because I don't trust the songs that YouTube allows us to play or not play. Like, I always run into difficulties with that. So I'm still trying to figure it out, but I don't know if I'm ever going to use a song again in a video because somehow it always gets copyrighted. I use like an editor, so yeah, I don't know what's happening with that, but anyways, I'm gonna shut up and let you guys leave. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.